Zach Pickoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 6-2 work together. So let's jump right into the video.
Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 6-2 work together. In the last video, I read over the 6-2 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 6-2 work together, where we will be planning adjustments on a worksheet. So the instructions say, use the worksheet from Work Together 6-1. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Number 1. Analyze the following adjustment information into debit and credit parts. Record the adjustments on the worksheet. Alright, so as you can see here, we are given the adjustment information for February 28th. So it says that the supplies on hand is valued at $325, and the value of prepaid insurance is valued at $500. And for number 2, this one reads, total and rule the adjustments columns. Save your worksheet to complete work together 6-3. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 6-2 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 6-2 work together, in which we will be planning adjustments on a worksheet. And we're going to start with number 1. So number 1 asked us to analyze the following adjustment information into debit and credit parts, and it also asked us to record the adjustments on the worksheet. So the first adjustment that we're going to start with is going to be the supplies adjustment. So in the instructions, it tells us that the supplies on hand is valued at $325. Well, if we take a look at the trial balance, this is saying that the supplies are valued at $456. So to get this debit to go down from 456 to 325, we are going to subtract the two numbers, and then we're going to record the answer as a credit. So if we take 456, subtract it from 325, that will give us $131, which is the amount of our adjustment. And as I said, we're going to record this as a credit. Now, as you can see here, we have a credit, but we do not have an equal debit. So the account that's going to match up with this credit is going to be supplies expense. Okay, so that was the first adjustment. So now we're going to be moving on to the second adjustment, which is the value of prepaid insurance. So in the instructions, it's telling us that the value of prepaid insurance is valued at $500. Well, if we take a look here at our trial balance, this is telling us that the value of prepaid insurance is valued at $750. So to get this debit to decrease from $750 to $500, we are going to take the two numbers and subtract them, and then record the answer as a credit. So if we take $750, subtract it from $500, that will give us $250, which is the amount of our adjustment. So $250 is going to be recorded as a credit, and the account that's going to match up with this credit is going to be insurance expense. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is draw a single line rule here. And then we are going to use the sum formula and add up the two columns. So we're going to type in equals sum, and then we are going to select cells E6 to E20 and then press enter. That will give us 381. And then we're going to do the same thing for the credit side. Type in equals sum, select cells F6 to F20, press enter, and as you can see, the two numbers are equal. So since the two numbers are equal, we are going to draw a double line. And a double line means that the debits equal the credits and that the work is accurate. Okay, so that is the end of the 6-2 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 6-3 text. Okay, thank you.